Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can show the preview of link to copy from Facebook, YouTube or anywhere on your WhatsApp. That's why I will paste this link and I will send this link, and here you can see it's not showing any preview for that link. But if you want to show the preview of any link, for that just open your anything that you want to copy. That's why I will copy the link of this video and I will go to WhatsApp. Now in WhatsApp, in order to show the preview of that link, you have to paste that link and wait for some time. When you paste and wait for some time and just send, now here you can see its preview are showing. So that's why this is a way how you can show the preview of any link. Either you copy it from Facebook, you copy it from TikTok or YouTube. You have to paste that link and have to wait for some time and then send that link and wait, and it will show the preview of that link.